We at Regenexx Pittsburgh and I switched to doing regenerative treatment with your blood platelets in something called platelet lysate, which is a PRP derivative that's great for nerves. Hi, I'm Dr. Paul Lieber from Regenexx Pittsburgh. We switched many years ago and have not looked back. We treat the spine, we treat the ligaments, we treat the joints, we treat the nerves, and we can even treat the discs to help you get better. And again, we don't just stick one needle in, we treat comprehensively. This is all done under X-ray guidance with a fluoroscope or ultrasound and X-ray guidance, where the needle is specifically guided into the area of injury or pathology so that we can help get you better on a long-term basis. So whereas with steroid injections, we typically would help people for 6 to 8 weeks maximally. With the regenerative injections, we're typically helping people for years and really making a difference in their life, because when you stabilize a spinal segment, treat the nerves, treat the discs, etc., you are literally getting people better and they can function at a much higher level, get back to the things that they love, get off their narcotics. And what we find is they're extremely thankful for the work that we've done. It's using you. Platelet-rich plasma comes from platelets within your bloodstream, which we take out and concentrate to provide a dose-specific benefit to the areas we're treating. So all patients are not the same, and therefore the treatments that we provide to patients are customized based upon your specific need. If your doctor has contacted you and has recommended traditional treatment with steroids or spinal surgery, which is fairly extreme, my recommendation would be to get a second opinion at Regenexx Pittsburgh. We'll talk about your spinal condition and what we can do in a regenerative way to help you. Please understand that the consults that we do, we spend a great deal of time with you, probably on the order of 45 minutes to an hour, going over your exam, gathering your history, looking at your diagnostic studies, and formulating a treatment plan for you. And generally, most of the time, it's going to make a huge difference in your life.